Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix video moderate error in Grok AI. Your video might be flagged if it contains the following: violence, sexual or suggestive content, hate symbols, insults or slurs, illegal activities like weapons, drug or scan. Fifth, graphic images or disturbing scene. Sixth, copyright clips. 7. Face of real people without context. Now, to fix this, review your video carefully before re-uploading it. The second is remove or replace background noise. Copyrighted or aggressive music often triggers moderation. Edit the thumbnail or first frame. Grok scan the first frame heavily. Sixth is change the video description. Sometimes text prompt can cause block. Shorten the video because long videos are more likely to be flagged. Re-upload after editing. After editing the video, you can re-upload it. The 9 is try your different formats. Make sure your Grok is up to date. And then the 10 is log out and try again, or you can just click on the restart button and restart your phone again. So guys, that is it on how to fix video moderation error in Grok AI. If this video was helpful, please do all to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.